In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can stop Steam Client's Webhelper from running in the background in just few easy steps. So let's dive right in. So I will show you some of steps that you can follow. From your desktop, you can click on this search and search for Task Manager. Here, firstly, you have to run as administrator. Then this window will appear of processes. Here you can see it's showing Steam Client Webhelper. Right click on that and click on this End Task. This was the first method. Close it. If that didn't work, you can open your Steam app. On the left upper side, you'll find here this Steam. If you click on that, you will get here this settings. Open it, and from this settings, you need to open this interface. And here, if you scroll it down, you'll find here this Run Steam when my computer starts. It will be turned on, you have to turn it off. After turning this off, you have to come to this in-game. And then you'll find here this Delete Web Browsing Data. Click on this delete and confirm it. After doing that, close it and click on this Windows icon and open up your Windows settings from here. Open apps and simply search for Steam. Uninstall this and then you have to reinstall this Steam app. After uninstalling and reinstalling Steam, it will help you to stop Steam Client Webhelper from running in the background.